Are you under the impression that a high GMAT score is only ticket to a top business school? Let me tell you, it's only half the truth. The real key to getting into a business school is building your strong profile. Let me give you an example. On the screen, you see two profiles. Profile 1, a 630 GMAT score from a Tier 2 engineering college, and Profile 2, a 730 GMAT score from a top Tier 1 engineering college. At first glance, you might definitely think that Profile 2 is a clear choice to get into a top business school. But that's not always the case. Profile 1 did something unique. He onboarded with us during his profile gap analysis session with our team, helped him to identify the areas where his profile was weak. On his call with Miss Kritika Srinivasan, India's only Harvard certified admission consultant and president of IGAC, she suggested ways to fill in those gaps. Knowing that INSEAD values political work and Wharton values leadership experience, we suggested that he gets involved with organizations like IPAC and Ashoka Foundation to gain relevant skills and experience. On the other hand, Profile 2 didn't evaluate her profile and just applied to the school based on her GMAT score and ultimately got rejected. The key takeaway is that a high GMAT score is important, but it's not the only thing that matters. The real key is to build a strong profile that sets you apart from the competition. And with our admission consulting service and guidance from the experts like Miss Kritika Srinivasan, you can identify the gaps in your profile and take the necessary steps to improve them. So take a good look at your profile and see where you can improve. And remember, with the right strategy and guidance, you can get into a top B school even if your GMAT score isn't perfect.